Who's this? They're so cute!
Hey everyone, I'm back again with another tutorial on where you can find the monster letter. This time around, the location is located at Twilight Rainforest 3rd floor, and your clue here is that it's near a weird cocoon. Here is the surroundings on where I am, so you may have an idea on where I am located. As you can see, there's really weird cocoons that surround. There's NPC that's near me, and the NPC name is Matt. Since there is NPC that's around, all you have to do is click the map and search for the NPC's name on the NPC list. Click Matt so you'll be able to be redirected towards this location. When you find the monster letter, click Gather so you'll be able to have it. Click the quest so you'll be able to be redirected back to the NPC where you got this quest. Pass the quest to the NPC and then you're good to go. Now that the quest is finally cleared, I hope that this tutorial may help you guys. Subscribe for more.